We've never explained exactly what this keywords search is in Botsheets, and so I get a lot of questions about it. The answer is yes, it is very similar to the contain search. The difference is that while the contain search in Botsheets searches for rows in the sheet that contain the entire text, the keyword search searches for rows that contain just the keywords in that text. So here's the big benefit that the keyword search can give you. You can use an entire sentence as the input. You can take the user's entire input, do you have any shirts, like this, do you have any shirts? And what happens is Botsheets ignores the unimportant words. So do you have any? And you're just left with shirts. Then Botsheets searches for rows that contain just the keywords that are left over. In this case, just shirts. So here's the contain search. The contain search searches for the entire sentence. So with the contain search, you won't be able to send this entire sentence. It's not going to work. So let's see this work. I'm using the keywords search method, and I'm giving Botsheets the user input. If I preview this and send it the text, do you have any shirts? This is a keyword search, so it will show me the results that have shirts in column E here. So just these three results. This won't work if I change this to a contain search. So this here will definitely not work. And we can see it hit the fallback message there. The cool thing that you can do with the keyword search is you can put it in the default reply of your chatbot builder. So you can take the user's last input text, whatever it is that they put in, if it's a whole sentence or 2 sentences, and you send that in as a keyword search. You can search your Google Sheet with Botsheets using the entire sentence or sentences that the user put in, and the user will see a gallery of results of what they might have been asking for. So that's it. That's the keyword search versus the contain search. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to post in the Botsheets community.